Place the back shirt pattern on the fold of the fabric and cut. I only cut the front on fold, but I recommend you do the back too. I cut the back shirt pattern not on fold because I thought I was going to add a zipper, but since the fabric is stretchy all around, I forgot I didn't have to. Cut out two 3-inch wide strips. Sew the strip on the shoulder of the shirt with a 1/2-inch seam allowance. With the right sides facing together, sew the sides of the back shirt pieces on the front shirt piece with a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Sew the center back of the shirt close with a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Cut out a 2-inch wide strip from the sleeve pattern. Cut out a 2.5-inch wide strip with a 1/2-inch seam allowance on each side. With the fabric not on fold, place your sleeve pattern and cut out two. Cut out two center sleeve strips on the fold of the fabric. Cut out two sleeve cuff strips on the fold of the fabric. With the right sides facing each other, place the 2-inch strip on the sleeves and sew with a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Place the 2.5-inch strip across the bottom of the sleeve and sew. With the right sides facing each other, sew the sleeve closed with a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Match the seam of the sleeve to the side seam of the shirt and the blue strips together and sew. Measure around the neck hole carefully with a measuring tape. Subtract 3 or more inches off the measurement so that the neckband will be a little smaller than the neck hole. Fold the neckband down, then in half, then sew down the side. Stretch the neckband around the neck hole and pin it. Stretch the neckband as you sew so it'll fit snugly around the neck hole, but don't stretch the shirt.